Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what we dupe out today, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So I'm gonna go into this Formula 2 from Play Makeup by Yolondo, and this is Particle Peaches. I think I'm going to this shade. I might need something a little bit darker, and I'm gonna put this right here. This brush is I don't know. It's just a Pro Crown brush. I don't know what number it is. Who knows? Now I'm gonna take a M433 from Morphe. What did I say? Morphe. And I'm gonna go into this shade, I think, and just try to see if I can blend this out a little bit. So I'm just blending this. Blend. And then back to this. And I just had my glitter glue, which I lost. I had like so many glitter glues here and I have no idea what they are. So many. I have this little, this is from Urban Decay and it's one of their Moondust, and this is Solstice. And I'm gonna use a Y215 from Play Makeup by Yolondo. Just making sure this is blended nicely and get a little wet look, kind of. And then I'm going back to this brush and just blend this. Okay. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and test out this mascara, and then this is from Decay, and it's the Zero Gravity Mascara, and I got this in my boxy charm. Again, it looks nice, but I just don't have it lashes like that. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and let's do like a quick foundation, and then I've already primed my face, and today I'm using my Laura Geller Sparkly Skin Perfecting Primer. Feels kind of like a little bit silicone-y but also like moisturizing, so that's good. And what foundation are we gonna bless my face with today? See, I have this big old pimples here, or whatever is happening here. I don't know, but let's see what we can put here. Let's use the Sephora full coverage foundation. See a good match for me, and to make sure I don't just turn like this, because that's how I get my clothes dirty, because I'm just wanting to wear this nice oversized flowy dress, because it's literally 100 degrees here. So anything that, you know, is gonna help me stay cool. I'm for it. Done with that. And concealer. Just gonna wear this from Natasha Denona. This is the corrector. So I'm just gonna put a little bit and I'll blend it out, and then I'll put my concealer. We're gonna use this Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer. Oh, I haven't forgot my drink. I'm gonna leave this still, but I'm gonna blend out this. So, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more concealer here, but I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. This is actually not super full coverage, but I like it. Some days I want a full bit. Today maybe another day. Oh, my contour from Makeup by Mario. And I'm gonna use my E34 brush from Morphe. Oop, please, I don't want to dirty my clothes. That's why sometimes I just record with my robe, because I'm like, okay, let's blend this. We'll start here. Just making sure everything is blended nicely, and then let's go here. Okay, let's move. I do not know why I put this powder that I used to set under here. I need to look for it. So I'm gonna use my Giorgio Armani Libre powder. Dude, it's like literally 100 degrees outside. Texas is the worst. And now we're gonna test out this Wonder Beauty face powder. I'm very picky about my powders, very picky. I literally use like a few face powders, and this is trash. I'm using my same powder brush that I use all the time, and this was in my boxy charm. I don't know, my face still looks or feels wet, which is not good, because when I put my bronzer and stuff, it's just gonna like stay all patchy. I'm gonna put some of this. I think I'm only gonna put like this shade right here, which is the shade I ordered, just down here. Nothing crazy. I really like this brush from Marc Jacobs to do this, but I only have one, so I'm constantly having to clean this one. The time. Oh my god, it's already almost 8:30. Yep, that's enough. I don't want anything crazy down there. And I'm gonna put my Fake It from Tarte. Let's ignore that. So that was wild. Sometimes I do the wildest things. And then I'm gonna use this Moondust that I have, and I'm just gonna bring that down. This is from iconic London. Do I even like this? Might need something a little darker, but we'll go with this first. And I think I need a little more. So this is from Marc, and it is a skin finish, but I just took like a really dark shade or a darker shade. That's what we're using. Okay, let us go in with some blush, and I'm using my Giorgio Armani number 52 blush. This, and I'm using a couple things from Giorgio Armani. It wasn't plain, I promise. So this, nice and pink, to go with my, you know. I look kind of. And I had a brush here, but now I can't find it. Yep. So a little. We're gonna use this Beaming blush from Marc. Okay. So now I'm gonna test out my lip product from my BoxyCharm. So we're gonna use the lip liner, and this one is Doodle. So that is that. Now let us go ahead and talk about our dupe Friday. So today I'm gonna dupe out the Essence lip gloss, which is just a clear lip gloss, and the ABH crystal gloss. So they all like just clear, regular lip gloss, but we're gonna see how they go on the lips. So let us go ahead and talk about the ABH one first. So it is called a crystal gloss. It's $20, and it says a crystal clear lip gloss with glass-like shine. It's ABH crystal gloss redefined shine, delivering a glass-like finish that makes your lips appear instantly fuller and smoother. Achieve shine you can't resist in one swipe with its crystal clear formula that provides non-sticky, comfortable where the flat paddle shaped applicator glides across the lips with ease and precision, delivering the perfect amount of gloss for instant enhancing lips with extreme shine and a peach scent that you can't get enough of. So, and let me jump in to the Essence. So the Essence one is $3.99, so $4. Essence Extreme Shine Volume Nugget promises maximum volume, extreme plumping, and carbon neutral packaging, leaving your lips with a natural glow. So they didn't say too much about it, but let us go ahead. It's like what, $16 difference? So I'm gonna put the Essence one on the top. And then on the other part, we're gonna put the ABH, because I'm still trying to talk too. So that's crazy, right? Because I just tap both of them together and they're not tacky at all. But look at this. Like, they look the same, right? Even if it's completely two different glosses. So yeah, question of the day: Do I think these are a dupe? 100%. I've used these both glosses before and I knew they were kind of a dupe. But I just wanted to do it on camera so you guys can have like a cheaper option. Instead of spending $20, you can go ahead and spend $4 and you can get the exact same look. So that's it guys for this dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
It's calling your name, yeah, it's calling. Don't stay the same. Peace will follow when you learn to cope. It's calling your name, yeah, it's calling. It's time for